4 miles till empty. Woo! We're cutting it close. Okay, we're gonna start building this wall. We got some sanding going on. Finish this wall.
Someone's gonna make fun of me and say I'm gonna hurt my back now.
Yeah, we're getting there. We should be able to get it all sanded today. Did lots of work yesterday. It's hard to film and keep 3 guys busy and the operation going and moving, and it's a lot easier to film when it was just me on site doing the machine work. But try to get some film now. I'm really happy with my curves, my lines. We're short just a little bit of border. We're gonna go send the guy to get some of that.
I don't think you'll need more, but if you do, I have.
No. No, we can probably leave it. Grab me the blower. Blow some of these leaves out of here. Is it lower? Yeah, looks pretty good. We'll clean all that stuff up over the top. I'll put a little PL.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Is that mine or you?
I don't know. Struggling here. What are we doing? Yeah, kick it back.
It's a big.
Okay, this guy's got to come forward. Okay, I like it. That's a nice. Let's put that corner in over there.
Not bad.
Huh?
A little short.
Okay, kick.
You mean the middle here or no?
Grab me the big square there. Let's just make sure we're square everywhere. We might come in with it. Put a square on it.
Not bad. We're coming out a bit.
Okay. So I want to be
This side has to come in, I think.
this. That ain't gonna come much more that way though. Pretty close though.
Or this one can, maybe this. Oh, I can't go up more.
I'm gonna go like this. Okay, go down on that side, pull the string. Let's just have a quick look. Come up, come my way and come to the corner, the one your right hand's on. Yeah, come to there. Let's see what that looks like. Down low, go down low to this. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty straight. I like that.
So what's up with that?
We're just gonna pull this guy forward a little. Grab that little shovel beside you and we'll pry this. The tiniest, the thing is, you want the tiniest little gap on the bottom row, on the middle one, somewhere in the middle.
So look, why is that?
For drainage. Let the water get out. That's why we put this. That's why also we'll put the drain rock in it and then soil, so that if it does get too much water, the water can get out and doesn't freeze and push on our wall and push our wall out, you know?
That's a good tip for the video.
Yes. Big white shop. As soon as you walk in there on the left-hand side, there's a metal shelf. I believe there's a bunch of saw blades on the bottom there. I know a lot of them though are 12-inch. I want a brand new 14-inch. If not, there also the wood shelf there that's to the left of it might have some. You guys put them all in there, do you remember? Probably not, huh?
I don't see any blades here.
They're not, it's not gonna be a blade, it's gonna be in a little thin box. Put me on FaceTime. Here, I'll FaceTime you. Little squares, little, you know? Except. Okay, face me towards the wall. No, like the main door. Sorry, go to the main door. Like, you know where we put all our landscape stuff? Yeah, that wall. Over there, yes. Yes, yes. Yes, go to the right. Go to the right. Right, more right. Go to that metal shelf. Yes, down low. See that blue thing? What size is that blade? 12. I want to. What is that one? No, I don't want that. That's metal. We don't want that. What's that yellow one?
12.
Okay, keep digging.
12. 12.
They're all 12s?
12.
I guess we always use the 14-inch saw. 14! Grab that 14. Go to Ron. Okay, go to Ron Paul's now and get me. I will send you a text of how much sod, and you know how much brick you need, right?
I already grabbed all the brick and I grabbed extra just in case I have like 55 in there.
Yeah. Well, okay. Wonderful.
And then, okay, I'll just wait on your text.
Okay, I'll send it here in a second. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Here you go. You gotta measure. You gotta measure out that area real quick for sod, so he picks up the right amount. Okay, 26 by 7. Let's do the calculation. You know what you can do for me while I do this? Give me the distance between here and here. That's gonna be our next cut. Here to here. Okay. Okay.
Watch yourself. 35 1/4.
Mark, oh, it should be a perfect one, shouldn't it? It's one of those.
Is it?
Yeah, it should. Yeah. It should be. It should be the way we did it. Should be a full one. Let's just manhandle this full one in here. I think it's gonna go.
It's gonna be a little bigger.
Ooh, I think we'll make it work.
Like a few hair bigger.
Okay, grab that baby, and it's gotta go. Sorry, we actually need. That will work, huh?
There's a finished side on that side.
No, yeah, we want this one. Or no, it doesn't matter. Sorry, that'll work. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, go straight. Okay. Oh! Oh!
Fucker. Why'd you put it there?
So I was gonna lift it up. Sorry.
You good?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Don't put your fingers where you wouldn't put your dick, hey? Isn't that the rule? That was dumb. Good thing I had gloves on. My dick shouldn't hurt.
Okay, good.
If not, I'd probably be crying right now.
I could be career ending there.
I'd be crying.
I would cry.
Like I. Okay, we had a good day. We got a little bit of cuts left to do here on these borders. But, and one more layer of caps for this wall and this wall. Be a nice big planter box. And we got the sod in on this side.